Well, thanks, Shweta. It was indeed a volatile day on the Lal Street. In fact, markets have not really been able to find the right direction. But starting Monday, they will have lots to look forward to. US Fed is going to take the center stage. And of course, the macro data that we'll be getting here in India will really drive the markets going forward. So in the morning, Nifty did open above that crucial level of 7,800. It remained quite volatile through the day and ended below that crucial level of 7,800 with absolutely flat, but at 7,789. So there were a lot of gainers in the morning. In fact, when we opened in the morning, out of Nifty 50 stocks, just 3 were losing and everything else was like a sea of green. But today, after the closing, we saw really most of the stocks slipping into the red. Let's quickly see the top gainers that we had in the day today. So you had names like BPCL for second day in a row. Strong movement continued as far as BPCL is concerned. It closed with gains of about 1.8%. You had some of the banking names as well, which did manage to hold the gains that were made earlier. But there was some bit of selling pressure that we did see coming into the banks towards the later part of the day. So you had names like SBI, Wipro, HDFC and Asian Paints, which were some of the other top gainers. Let's now see the top losers that we had in the trade today. You had names like Kane India down about 4%, Tata Steel, BHEL, Vedanta and Tata Motors. Overall, it was the metal pack which really was seeing some bit of selling pressure. Talking about the top 5 sectors, then it was clearly the real estate space which was buzzing in trade today. The gains were much higher in the morning, but then as the day progressed, there was some bit of a weakness that creeped into the real estate space as well. Then you had FMCG, media, technology and some banks as well. And these are the bottom 5 sectors on the screen right now. So metals were clearly under pressure today, about 1.5% lower. Infrastructure was down 0.5% or so. Energy, auto and banks also saw some bit of selling pressure during the later part of the trade today. Let's now see how the currency is doing at this point in time, and it has been moving in line with how the markets have been moving. So it was pretty strong in the morning when it opened. Currently rupee trading around the level of 66.53 to the dollar. Today we have the industrial output data that will be coming out in the evening after market closing. On Monday we've got the CPI inflation. Entire next week is going to be really crucial for markets, but as compared to the last week, this week for Nifty in the markets was much better. Nifty saw gains of about 2% in this entire week. Back to you.